Good morning, traders. It is Friday, and some very heavy metal drama today. That has nothing to fucking do with trading. It's so funny. This, Patrick Whelan guy, he likes to bring drama to his channel, I guess, to get likes and more advertising and whatever. I don't fucking know. But he was picking on Nutty Bar for a while, made a whole bunch of drama out of that. Now he's good friends with him. He gave him $5,000. Now it's this Rips guy who apparently got arrested before and he was innocent or whatever, and all the charges were dropped. And oh my god, it's unbelievable how they go after each other. It's like, wow, trying to get whatever. Clicks and wicks, licks and clicks, licks and clicks. Okay, enough of that. Okay, so we're looking at the NASDAQ. See up at the top there in the left, the 2-minute chart. Okay, I like to show you guys that. And we had a double top. Actually, first we had a high and a higher high, but the line didn't cross, so it didn't count. So then I looked at this, and I traded this today. Double top, right there, bang-o. And you would have got short somewhere in there. And it went down good, all the way down to R2, R2D2, from R3 up here. Okay, then we came down here, and of course, was there divergence down here? Yes. You see, on nearly every turn in the market, there's divergence. And this is why a lot of traders totally discount its value. And most of these turns in the market where it shows the divergence fucking works. That's all I can say. What else can I say? Like, you got to trust it in your heart. Just like the moving averages when they cross, you got to trust it in your heart to be, to maybe let it go up a little bit more, let it dip down, buy the dip, and up we go. Buy the dip, and up we go. That's it. You got to have trust and faith in this divergence and moving average crossovers. You see, you're trying to do it at the right time. That's why it works. Okay? I'm not just trading the moving average cross here over. I'm trading the fact that, oh, I forgot to put it on. Oh, Jason, quit doing that. Okay, just like this. There's the divergence. Okay? So it's not just the fact that the 5 crossed up above the 7, it's the fact that there's divergence. The main formation just happened. So you're okay to buy, and up it fucking goes. You know what I mean? And there's more trades coming. Okay. I meant to say something else, and I fell into a fucking whatever. But anyway, we have a double top right there. Okay? This is why you see this green line. I wanted to see where it lined up on the OSMA. See? That's why I have that green line on there. And then if I already know, like if I moved it over here, it's right down here. It's divergence. Again, double top at the top. Oh, now I'm getting the hiccups. Okay, so you would have sold right in here. Let me open that up a bit so you can see it better. Okay, but first let's put it on here. Okay, there's the buy. And up here is the sell right there. And boom, I done that trade too. And I got out like somewhere like right here. I don't know where, somewhere in there. I took a little profit. And look what it did after that. Look what it fucking did. Bastards. And if this would have created like a little blue, you know, a little blue mountain here, like a foothill to the big mountain up here, there would have been a sell trade right here also. And why would have there been? Because you would have drew this. Oh, my hand hurts. To hold the mouse like that. Oh, fuck. I hope this goes away soon. It's much better today. Hopefully in another few days it'll be gone. Oh, okay. So we did not have, see if we had a blue mountain here. Let me show you. So we had a blue mountain right here instead of the red bar, you know, say we had say that was blue, okay? And it would line up with this, and then you'd sell in here and down it goes. Plus there's a sell here and there's still a sell here because there's room to the bottom here for your target, okay? That's why there'd be a sell there. But I haven't got to that yet, and I'm already talking to you about it. I'm just showing you that there was no divergence because we did not have any blue bars down here, okay? So let me just get rid of that now. And this, because there's no trade there. Remove it. Okay. So then, you have a cross down. If you were brave enough to take the trade, well, you did good. It came down to here. Now here's a higher close. Sell it. Down it goes right there. Yeah, I used the arrows. Okay. So there was a trade here to sell on the opening of this candle right here, and down it went. Okay. Okay. Oh, and I forgot the ones over here. Sorry. Lower close. Buy it up. Up it goes. Lower close. Buy it. And up it goes. See? There's all the trades for today, ladies and gents. That's it on the Ninja. On the Ninja Trader. Okay? So now I gotta go and dig up MetaTrader 4. Let me get that. Oh yeah, it's over here. Okay. What did it do after I left? Yeah, it created another fucking bar thing. Yeah, I made some ticks here today, and then I went and traded something else, gave it back. But anyway, it wasn't good, but overall it ended really good. I'm up like, I'd say like 200 or 300 ticks today. It was a great Friday for me. Great Friday. Okay, that is gold. Let's go to the NASDAQ and see, do we have anything on the 5-minute? Nope, nothing. No divergence to buy it here. No divergence up here to sell it back down here. Nothing. What about, but on the 1-minute, I bet you there's something. Let me show you the 1-minute just quick. Oh, it's frozen now. It's fucking frozen. Let's see if we squish it. Yeah, there was some divergence here to buy it. And up here's that double top. I don't know. It was tricky. See, and then it quickly went back up. See, there's that blue little mountain I was talking about. Let me show you. See? This is on the 1-minute. I was trying to show you on the 2-minute, and it did not exist. See, there's the blue little mountain. See, down there like that. And you would have got short. Yeah. In there. And down it went. See? And here's another higher close. Sell it. Down it goes. Here's a hook down. This is on the 1-minute time frame. Okay. Higher close. Sell it. And down it goes. And then in here, on the 1-minute, we had a hook down. Went up. sucker, buy fake sucker. It did to the person who bought it in here. And then both the two of them closed up above the two moving averages, and then then they smacked it back down. You would have sold it right here, and it would have been a little rough because it's going sideways, and then it went down here. So say you got out right there, and you got in somewhere in there, it's like 20 points you would have made. This is on the 1 minute though, ladies and gentlemen, 1 minute. And that's why I can show you this little blue mountain, because it's on the 1 minute. The other one was on the 2 minute. And I'm repeating myself, and it's time to move on. Okay. Sorry about that. But I just said, oh, I bet there's some nice trades on the 1 minute. Let's look at the S&P 500. No. It's no fucking trade. See how they trapped them? They got them all buying in here. And then they rammed it down their nose. And then down, and then down, and then down, and then down here, they're like screaming, oh my God, why didn't I close the trade up there? Yeah. I know, it's not nice to talk about people who do that. They're just new traders. It's easy to understand what and what not to do. Never buy high. Okay? Never sell low. That's all you need to know. If price comes up and you're ready and you're thinking, oh, it's going up, it's going up, don't fucking buy there, because that's a mistake. And if it's coming down, coming down, coming down, you know, don't sell down there, because it say you sold right here. See, it came right back up again. You would have freaked you out. Look at that. They're just dumping it now for some reason. That's the S&P. They must be dumping the fucking NASDAQ too, I'm sure. Yeah, they're dumping it. See? That's NASDAQ. Okay, let's look at the Dow now. What did it do? Well, it had some double top up here, and it came down. Then they rushed it up with the open, 930. And then they brought it back down. Then they brought it back up again. Then they rammed it down and rammed it up. You know what? I wouldn't trade this fucking thing with a 10-foot pole. Because I know I'd fucking get fucking just trampled on. Like a fucking Mack truck run right over me. So, let's move on now to the pound dollar. Okay, this is the 15-minute. And there's divergence. Oh, yeah. Right here. Just like that. This is the 15-minute time frame. Back in the day when I used to trade currency, I used to trade the pound dollar all the time, of course. And I always used to love to trade the 15-minute with the pound dollar. Those were the good old days. 2006, 2005. No, 2005 I was trading the Euro USD. 2006 I graduated to the pound dollar. Yeah. Anyway, nice trade here. There was divergence there. If you would have sold it right on the opening of this candle right here where the arrow is. Well, shit, didn't go far. 40 pips. That's a big move for the pound. Euro dollar. What did we have? We had a double top basically up there. Just draw it down from here like this. Just like that. Same as the pound. And sell it, and down it goes. 32 pips on the Euro USD. Pound yen, what did it do? Oh, it doesn't look too good. Let's put it on the 15. Higher highs. Better come down nicely. Figures, doesn't it figure like a day? Right here. A day with no news whatsoever. There's no fucking news today. And look at how it's moving today. It's moving nicely. Nice movement. in, you know. So that's the divergence. You would sell there. Your stop would be up there. Stop never went up there, and it came down. 52 pips on the pound yen. But also on the pound yen, we have a buy fake, smack it down, sell, down we go. It's a fucking, I didn't mean to say that. It's a successful hook down trade. That's what I was trying to say. Not anything with fucking. Okay, there's the trades on that today. Yeah, there's a trade over here in the Asia. Do you trade the Asia? No, me neither. But at least if you are trading the Asia session, you want to trade something with yen in it. Pound yen, euro yen, Japanese yen. You know what I mean? Because it's the Asian session. You want to trade the Asian pairs. Okay. Euro yen. Oh, not looking good. 15-minute. Oh, it's the same trade as the pound yen. Just looks a little different. Same thing, just a little different. It hasn't gone very far yet. Why is that red line on there? I do not know. Yeah, if you got in like right here, it only went down like 12 pips. Whatever. Okay, let's look at crude oil. Oh, I see nice double bottom there. It's a nice trade up here too. It's very parabolic, straight up, but it's divergence right here. Sometimes you gotta make the chart smaller, and you have to go to a higher time frame to see everything and look for the divergence or the the lower close or higher close setups. That's what you got to do. So you see, oh, pain in my hand again. Oh, sorry, I'm in pain. I almost want to cry. Shit. Okay. Just like that. There's the divergence, and you would have got short right in there. There's, there's the higher close thing, and where did I see those? Oh, right here. Okay, we'll mark them in. Just for you guys. Right there, higher close, sell it, and down it goes. Right there. Boom. Here's another one. Yeah, here's another one. Here's another one, just like the other one. No, actually, I got the wrong thing. It's a hook down. That's what it is. There you go. But I can't forget the rest of them, right? There's a few more trades. Double bottom right there. Boom, shakalak. Yes. And you would have got long. Bullish. Very, very bullish. Oh, went up 33 pips. So you're good. You're good. Here's another trade right here, actually. I got to show it to you. Right there. And right off of there. See that? Boom, 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 boom. And up it goes. See, that was hidden divergence. So it doesn't tell you in the OSMA, whether the price is going to go up or go down because it's hidden divergence. But regular divergence, like higher highs and double tops and lower lows and double bottoms, they tell you on the OSMA. When you draw the line on the OSMA, okay, it tells you which direction the price is supposed to go. And it usually goes. Just like this one. What I'm trying to explain you, see? High, retracement, higher high, see? And this one goes down. It's always drawn down on a higher high or double top. So you see right here, it's telling you, because it's pointing down, it's telling you the price is going to go down. See that? That's pretty tricky, eh? That's pretty cool. Yes, that's really cool. When I discovered it, I went, wow, this is so cool. When I draw my line on the OSMA, if it's pointing down, the price goes down. Pointing up, the price goes up. I discovered that the one day, I don't know, about 8 months ago or 6 months ago, and went, wow. And then I kept trying to find it when there was hidden divergence, and it wouldn't display properly on the OSMA. And I'm going, ah. So it works on the higher highs, double tops, lower lows, double bottoms, but it doesn't work on the hidden divergence trades. Anyway, that is very cool. Okay, let's move on now. That was oil. Now we're going to look at gold. What did gold do? I'm going to put on the 5-minute. Did it have a trade? Oh, yeah. Right here. Higher highs. Yeah, sometimes I draw it like that, where it's not on the outside of the mountain, it's inside. So where it's supposed to go there or something. I don't know, maybe there. I don't know, somewhere in there. Anyway, it's divergent. That's all I can tell you. So if you sold right in there, all the way down, it went, yes, I'm not lying to you, 149. Gold is very tricky. It's like, it doesn't seem to look like it's went that far, but it has, because every, I don't know, there's like 10 little ticks in every like bigger tick or point or whatever. I don't know how to explain it, but all that I know is it doesn't need to move far for you to see, like, if you're trading a micro, you're going to see like $100 real quick, and it didn't even hardly move. I think that's why a lot of people like to trade gold, because gold can give you big rewards. Yeah. Okay, so that's it for the markets that move. Let's move on now to the crypto. Bitcoin. Oh, it was going up, just came back down. Okay. It's still up there. That's good. It's still above 100K. That's good. That's good news. The real good news is coming in January. That's when it's going to explode, I hope. Everybody's expecting it. Maybe it won't. And what about XRP? Oh, it just popped a boner there and came back. Just went to a new... Yeah. Went up to the same high as this week. So we're sitting at 241. All I can say is I'm not a financial advisor, but it's still not too late for you guys, okay? That's all I'm going to say. That's all I'm going to say. Okay, let's look at silver. What the hell? 5-minute? No. We need it on daily. Oh, they're fucking sinking it. It's back to 30. Yeah, it only went to $34, $35. Yeah, the all-time high for gold is around $50. And it went back to that $50 point back in 2011. Believe it or not, I bought like over $10,000 in silver, and oh yeah, I got rid of it. I lost $500 on it. I was up a little bit, but not really much, because these fucking silver coin dealers, you know, they charge like the coin should be sold for like, say, $20. They're selling it for 30. You know what I'm saying? Like a 50% premium in the fucking silver. So good luck to all the silver traders who actually bought the metal and brought it home, you know. Good luck to you. I hope it goes up. There's talk that it's going to explode next year, so we'll see. Time will tell. Okay, and next is Ethereum. Oh yeah, it's trying to climb back up there. Japanese yen. Oh, nice pullback today. Okay, so thank you for coming and watching and listening, and I hope you had a good time and you learned a little bit. I'm just trying to share my knowledge with you guys. That's it. I want you guys to succeed in heaps and bounds. Hopefully Divergence or my setups will work for you. I hope so. Okay. If you trade this afternoon, be careful. Especially if you're trading the NASDAQ. That fucking thing has so many... They make it look like it's going to go up and they slam it down. They make it look like it's going to go down and they buy it up real quick. You got to be really careful trading that these last... And since December started, it's gotten really bad. Today wasn't too bad. I did really good today, but yeah, it's tricky. They're always hunting down your stops. They're always making it look like it's going to go somewhere and they take it the opposite way. Yeah, you got to be careful, okay? All right, have a great weekend. We'll see you on Monday. Good luck and good trading.